Welcome to our guide on WordPress Blocks. Today we'll explore what WordPress blocks are and how you can use them to customize your site effortlessly. WordPress blocks are the building blocks of the WordPress block editor, also known as Gutenberg. They allow you to create content-rich layouts without needing to write any code. Each piece of content you add, like paragraphs, images, videos, and more, is a block. This modular approach makes it easy to arrange and style your content. By contrast, the previous editor looked and functioned a lot like a standard word processor tool. We now call that editor the Classic Editor. If you prefer to use that one, you can still use it by downloading the Classic Editor plugin from the WordPress plugin directory. So let's get started with the WordPress block editor. First, you need to access the block editor. You'll see the block appear when you create a new page or post. So let's go to posts and let's add a new post. Let's give this post a name. Let's say how to speed up a WordPress website. To add a block, simply click the plus icon and choose the type of block you need. Blocks are elements that you can add to your page or posts, so you can have a text block, an image block, you can have a button block. To view all the available blocks, just go to the plus icon and click on Browse All. In the upper left corner, you can see you have lots of text blocks. You have several media blocks, including an image block, gallery, video. You also have several design blocks and widget blocks, and more. Here we're adding a paragraph block to enter some text. You can customize each block using the settings in the sidebar. Change the font size, color, and alignment to match your site's design. You can customize your blocks with the Styles tab to change the text color and background color, and the WordPress block editor is very responsive. WordPress offers a wide variety of blocks, including images, videos, galleries, buttons, and even embeds from social media. This gives you the flexibility to create engaging and interactive content. You can also create complex layouts by combining different blocks. For example, you can create a landing page with text, images, and call to action buttons. If you have content that you'll use frequently, like a call to action or a newsletter sign-up form, you can save it as a reusable block. This allows you to easily add the same content to multiple pages. WordPress also includes block patterns, which are pre-designed block layouts that you can insert and customize. These patterns can help you quickly build beautiful pages. With WordPress blocks, customizing your site has never been easier. Whether you're building a blog, an online store, or a portfolio, the block editor gives you the tools to create a site that's uniquely yours. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more WordPress tips and tutorials. Happy building!